Ball mill grinder, LB-10BMG, offers variable rotation speeds from 120 to 1160 rotation per minute, enabling precise grinding control. It is widely used in laboratories for mixing and homogenizing materials in industries such as pharmaceuticals, mining, and materials science. Features: compact tabletop unit, offers smooth, quiet, and reliable operation. Adjustable speed and stable power transmission. Gear drive, variable speed which meets diverse experiment needs. Versatile grinding capability. Supports dry and wet grinding and mixing with different sizes and materials. Enhanced safety and operational stability. Pneumatic spreaders, cooling fan hole, and security lock. Visible operation. Safety cover door with see-through window allows easy monitoring of operation.